In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view deleted tasks Asana. If you've ever wondered where a task went or need to confirm whether something was deleted, this quick process will help you surface those items in a few clicks. We'll use Asana's built-in search tools, and I'll point out what to look for so everything feels clear and straightforward. Start by moving to the very top of Asana and clicking into the search bar. This is your central place for finding anything across your workspace. You don't need to type a keyword right now. Clicking it simply activates the search experience and gets the options ready. If your window is small and you don't immediately see the full search area, try widening your browser or maximizing the app so the controls appear. Next, look to the right side of that search bar for the advanced search icon. It looks like a small set of filter sliders. Go ahead and click it. This opens the advanced panel where you can fine-tune what you want to find. Think of this panel as your control center for narrowing results without having to guess the perfect search term. At the bottom of the advanced search window, click the option labeled plus add filter. This expands a menu of additional filters you can apply. It's useful because many criteria aren't visible by default, and add filter is how you reveal them. When you click it, you'll see categories you can use to refine your search. Now, hover over the category called More, and from the options that appear, select Deleted. As soon as you choose Deleted, Asana will update the search to include only tasks that have been removed. This filter doesn't require you to apply anything else. The results will populate automatically based on the workspace or team you're currently viewing and the permissions you have. You should now see a list of deleted tasks that you have access to. Depending on your organization's setup, results can span multiple projects, which makes it easier to track down items without jumping around. If nothing appears, it may mean there aren't any deleted tasks you can access, or you might be in a different workspace than you expected. It can help to double check that you're in the correct space at the top of Asana before starting your search. That's all there is to it. Click the search bar, open the advanced search with the sliders icon, choose plus add filter, then under More, select Deleted. With this view, you can confidently confirm what's been removed and keep your work organized.